What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, I don't know, so NEWLINK there from NEWLINK production, and we say attack. So now that I have an article people again on the passing of the entertainer story that I covered, you understand, Feluke, who passed away in Mexico, who is a Jamaican artist, reggae musician, percussionist as well, of colon cancer. And I did do a vlog on him people, and now that I have an article to just share it so you can get a brief understanding of what really was going on in the final days and everything with Feluke. And you can, his final days, as someone who was close to him, speaks out and share his last days and how he spent it and everything. So this is just a follow-up to the previous video that I did. Tributes and tears flow for Feluke. Can you call me back? Question. I would love to talk to you. I just can't right now. Crystal Campbell shared as she took a deep breath. This is a really hard time. He is really gone. Campbell, who had been in charge of taking care of the late reggae singer Feluke, said she was still trying to come to grips with his passing. She could only confirm that Feluke, who had been diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer in 2014, had passed away on Saturday at a health facility in Mexico, where he had traveled for another set of treatments after falling ill last November. Campbell, who had traveled with Feluke to Mexico, told news that while she would love to speak on the person Feluke was a give Jamaicans a deeper look into his character, she just could not find the words and needed time. The pain in her voice was agonizing. Still, she mustered up the strength to give thanks to those who have been reaching out to send their condolences. She said, since Feluke's passing, she has received a plethora of calls and text messages from persons within the entertainment industry, expressing sadness at his death, while encouraging her to stay strong. The music fraternity has really been reaching out, and so has its church family at St. Teresa Catholic Church. Their support in this time really means a lot, she said. Since news of his passing spread over the weekend, a number of persons from the music fraternity took to social media to pay tribute to a man they described as one of the strongest individuals they have ever come across. Among those to pay their respects were songbird Tessan Chin, her sister Tammy Chin, reggae artists Bugle, Taurus Riley and Jesse Royal, as well as a media personality Miss Kitty. They all expressed sadness at the singer's passing but said he made such an impact on them that his memory will live on forever. In a statement sent to news, Executive Director of the Ashe Performing Arts Group, Conroy Wilson, said the group was blessed to be a part of the team that helped to nurture and support Feluke's life journey even as they benefited from his great musicianship and giving spirit. Feluke was an Ashe alumni. The Ashe family mourns the passing of our alumnus, Denver Simit. We met Denver straight out of Alpha Boys home and have been blessed to have been a part of the team that helped to nurture and support his life journey. Even as we benefited from his great musicianship, giving spirit, Wilson's statement read, Denver joined the Ashe Academy and quickly developed skills that guaranteed him a place in the Ashe Ensemble. As an ensemble member, he toured the world with the company as a supporting drummer, then later becoming our lead drummer and percussionist before starting his solo career. Denver is a good example of hard work and living life to the fullest, always striving for success. While we mourn the passing of Denver, we stand by the words of our artistic director, Michael Holgate. Denver will be missed, but is never missing. Live on, Denver, Wilson's statement continued. The last time news spoke to Feluke back in July, the singer gave details of the painful journey he had been on for the past 6 years. At the time, he said he was financially and emotionally exhausted. I am back in my bed. I can't walk for very long. Some days I literally fight to get up out of the bed to go outside and get some sunlight. Other days I am so weak. I can't even talk. The reality is I never ever thought I was past the worst because I am educated about this whole cancer thing. But it's just financially and emotionally exhausting, he said, pointing out that he was most hurt by the fact that his condition was taking a toll on those he loved. What hurts me the most is seeing other people hurting because I am hurting. They are concerned about me and so willing to help in any way they can. And sometimes I just sit and cry when I see how much they have to do and how dedicated they are. I love helping myself, and when I am sick, I can't do that. People have to be assisting me, and it pains me to see them doing so much to take care of me. It makes me feel powerless, but I am grateful that I have people around me supporting me in this fight and carry the burden with me. A GoFundMe page was set up in Feluke's name a few months ago as he sought financial assistance to once again journey to Mexico for treatment. The late singer left the island for Mexico last month. Wow. So, it's sad, people. You know what I mean? Really sad. As I tell you, in the previous vlog I done, boy, you feel really sad, you know? And the artist gone. And you have a big legacy, people, because many people I saw in the comment section was saying they never heard of the artist or anything like that. But this man has touched so many souls with his music, his drum skills and everything, you know. And he was well loved by many people in Jamaica and across the world. And even over in Mexico where he seek treatment, people where go for treatment, he was there before and he went again. Big up to the roaster, man. I don't know people because roaster seats a sad one today, you know. And in the end, he don't make it, but boy, it's just life, you know. It's just life. And he was going through that financial part, people. That GoFundMe, as so many people say, he was short on some funds. If he did get that funds earlier, you know, maybe he could have been here a couple more days, couple more months, couple more years, or maybe be here for, you know what I mean, until another time. But as some people are saying, it's just his time. And what I look into, people, Feluke, who was 43, he born 1977, died from colon cancer. Big up roaster every time, right? And Chadwick Boseman, who died at 43, born 1977, and from colon cancer. So, the American star, actor, and this Jamaican musician, you know, both passed away at the age of 43 from colon cancer. And it's just sad. Days apart. Just sad, people. But, you know, as what them say, live on, Feluke. Live on. His legacy will. And the soul that he touch will always keep his legacy. Live on. You don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Alongside the Rooster, who keep on beating it in the background. Much love and much respect, people. Remember, follow me on IG, NEWLINK_production official. Follow me on Facebook, NEWLINK Production, and Twitter, NEWLINK Production. And if you don't subscribe already, people, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell icon so as NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. NEWLINK back to school treat coming up in September. Yeah, we in September, but remember, down in September, NEWLINK back to school treat. St. Ann, Jamaica, big up. Peace out. Attack them. I'm out.